Ashley. Today we are unboxing BoxyCharm for October. This is their base box. It's $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items, one of which you do get to choose. I did get an email that it came in the premium packaging boxing, but it is just the base box. Don't get excited, Ashley. I will say I went through this whole box. I know everything that's in here. Nothing's a surprise. I'm not gonna lie and pretend. I really don't like those videos where people pretend that they haven't seen what's in there. I just think it's fake. I just am like, no, you know, I know you know. I know you know. You can just tell. Can't you tell? Anyway. All right, so I just realized I have like a knot in my leg and it hurts. Anyway, I don't really remember what's in here, but I do remember liking it. So anyway, I already posted this on TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, you should be, because it's so much fun and I love it there. I'm so happy. But the box this month is Under Your Spell, and then they do include everything on the insert. You can look up the values and things like that. All right, so here's everything in my box. I did not use anything in here. So first up is the Ciate. This is the Spice Palette. I feel like yes, this is the one. It looked like it was swatched, and I was like, oh, I don't like that. Right there. It just looked like somebody's fingerprint would be in it, and I was like, oh, I don't want to use that now. The colors are gorgeous, though. This is very, like, what's that? The ABH palette. Renaissance? Is that what I'm thinking of? I don't know. It has that same kind of, like, those fall reds and like that rich, like beautiful, but it also has good neutrals like that you can use just every day. And there's only 3 shimmers, but they're really like punchy. I'm sad that it's got that little fingerprint in it. And the packaging, I'm not gonna lie, it's cute. It's just plastic, but it's really cute and like sturdy. So kind of sad about the little finger. Maybe I'll spray some alcohol on it and just act like I didn't see it. I don't know. Sometimes I do this thing. Like, look, it's a finger. Who cares? Anyway. All right. So this, oh, I'm actually excited. I wanted to try this the other day, but I was like, oh, I didn't open it yet. This is from a company called Playa. This is the Manoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Smooths frizzes and softens strands. So that's exciting. I bet it smells good. It just has the name Milk in it. It doesn't really smell like anything. Got all excited. Usually hair stuff smells so good. Maybe. No, it does. It smells good. It's very, very light though. It's not overwhelming, which is kind of nice, right? All right. Next we have, this is from Half Cake. This is their Airbrushed Complexion Concealer Brush Duo. So there's 2 brushes in here. Oh, look. I don't think I opened this. So first of all, the brushes are super cool. They have like, the ferrule is like tapered, and it has like, it's just very, it's very detailed. So this is going to be your brush, and then this one is going to be your brush. Does that make sense? Do you understand? I know that was really professional. And now you are all going to send me an award for my professionalism, obviously. All right, moving along, like we didn't just do that, is from Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. Breakfast for the skin. I'm really honestly just going to dig through the ingredients quickly, make sure it does not have hyaluronic acid, and I don't see it, which so something I didn't realize. I told you guys I'm like using eye creams, really into them. I started using a Murad eye cream, and like the next day, like I had like rosacea, or like red all in here, and I thought it was this cleanser I was using. I'm like, there's no hyaluronic acid in it. And then I was was putting it on and I'm like, this is new. I'm like, I didn't even look. Because who would think it would be in eye creams? Well, I went through all of my eye creams. Every single eye cream I had hyaluronic acid in it, and I was really disappointed. So this is a face primer. I'm excited to try this because I like products that are dewy and make you look like, not wet, but wet. Like, I want to look like fresh. Like I just walked out of a spa. So that's what I like. All right, next up, and finally, we have from Tresloose Beauty. This is the Lucette Shimmer Highlighter Palette. I did select this item. I am most excited about this item. It does have, I did look in here. I was very excited. It does have, it's blue, which is very cool. It has some beautiful colors. So first we have this Daydream color, which is, I want to say it looks more like a bronzer, but it is very pretty. This I could see using around the holidays, just as a little bit of like a touch here and there. That's the color Daydream. Then they have this color called Serenity, which is like a red. I don't think that's appropriate for my skin tone, but you could use this if you wanted to just dot it on as a blush topper. You definitely could. Then we've got this gorgeous color called Magic Hour. And I'm so intrigued because it doesn't look like it's super shimmery. Yeah, look at that. It has like, it's not, like highlighters are usually always like shimmery. They have like a shimmer, like a glittery. This is more like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's more like a, I don't know. It's pretty though. And then there's this dark color called Abundance. Ooh, that's interesting. So there's that. I like the two colors next to each other because you can really see like the combination. All right, so now that we've done that, let's look at the insert and tell, wish I had a towel, wish I had a towel, the prices of everything. So first up is the Spice Palette from Ciate that is valued at $39. The Tresloose palette is $26. The Half Caked, can you tell I had a cold? Brush set is $25. The Playa leave-in conditioner is $24, and the Dew of the Gods primer is $32. So I think this is a great box for just $25. There's nothing in here. There's a couple items that are valued at under $25. I mean, if you want to say the hair product at $24 is not $25. I mean, it's almost. So everything in here is more than what the box is costs. So actually the box did go up. I think it's $27.99 now because of like inflation and all that stuff. But I mean, it's still $25, whatever. Round down, round up. If you want to say it's $30, even then you're still getting a fabulous, fantastic deal. I do think this is a great month from them. They were, FYI, they were bought by Ipsy. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. Ipsy did acquire BoxyCharm, so now they're like, they're buds, and it comes from a different place now. Hopefully I'll get it a little sooner. Who knows? But anyway, that is my BoxyCharm for October. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my TikTok. Trying to get big on there slowly but surely, maybe one day. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.